Welcome to this channel. In this video, we will discuss about the interpolation command. First of all, we will see what is interpolation command in MATLAB. Interpolation is a technique for adding new data point within the range of a set of unknown data point. And the syntax is vq is equal to interp1 x comma v comma xq. Return interpolated value of one dimension function at specific query point. Using linear interpolation, vector x contains simple point and v contains corresponding value v of x. Vector xq contains coordinate of the query point. Now we will do some example. First of all, we consider a simple array and store them in y. So y is equal to 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 17, 20, 23 and 24. Now we will define x, and x has value from 1 to length of y. Or simply x is equal to 1 to total element in y. So total element in y is 12. Now we will add new data point which is in the range of 2 to 24. So x1 is equal to 0 to 15 with the increment of 0.5. Now we'll use interpolation command. So y1 is equal to inter p1 x comma y comma x1. Now we will plot x and y in the form of circles, and then we plot x1 and y1 in the form of red stars, and then we run the program. And the circles show the point of x and y, and the stars show the point which we add new data point within the range of 2 to 24.